For centuries, the Bermuda Triangle has swallowed hundreds of lives without leaving a single trace or clue to their mysterious and sudden disappearances in these waters. This stretch of ocean between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico has become a legendary graveyard for those who dared to navigate its unpredictable and dangerous currents. Today, modern technology will venture into the heart of the abyss, aiming to uncover the secrets hidden beneath the waves where humans fear to go alone. We remember Flight 19, the legendary squadron that vanished in 1945, leaving behind only static on the radio and a legacy of unanswered, haunting questions. The USS Cyclops, carrying over 300 souls, vanished without a distress call, becoming the largest non-combat loss of life in the history of the Navy. Electronic equipment often fails here, as if some invisible force is disrupting the very tools we use to understand our world and find our way home. On the deck of a state-of-the-art research ship, a team of specialized engineers prepares a robotic explorer for a mission that could change history forever. The tension is palpable among the crew as they realize they are about to peer into the dark heart of the world's most feared maritime mystery. This remotely operated vehicle, or ROV, is a marvel of engineering built to withstand the crushing pressures of the deepest parts of the ocean floor. As the machine hovers over the water, we are reminded that no matter how much we think we know, the ocean always keeps its deepest secrets. Headlines from the past century flash by, each one a testament to the fear and fascination this geographic anomaly has held over the collective human imagination. Massive amounts of data are being processed in real time, searching for any anomaly that might explain the thousands of ships lost to these deep waters. Every system must be perfect. At depths of several kilometers, even the smallest mechanical failure means the end of this multi-million-dollar scientific mission today. Isolation is the primary feeling out here. The nearest land is hundreds of miles away, and the depth below us is truly and utterly unfathomable. The sonar begins its work, sending pulses of sound into the dark, waiting for an echo that could reveal what lies hidden beneath the silt. The journey begins. The drone leaves the world of sunlight and enters the realm of eternal night, where the ghosts of the past wait patiently. Descending through the first few hundred meters, the drone is our metallic eye, cutting through the blue towards a world where light begins to fade. Equipped with the latest 3D sonar and high-definition thermal cameras, this drone is far more than a camera. It is a scientific laboratory in motion. As we sink deeper, the weight of the ocean above us increases, exerting millions of pounds of pressure on the titanium hull of our robotic explorer. In the dimly lit control room, the pilot's steady hands guide the craft, navigating through currents that can pull a vessel miles off its course. The numbers climb rapidly as we leave the surface world behind, heading toward the bathypelagic zone, a place very few eyes have ever seen. In this immense space, the drone appears like a tiny star in a liquid galaxy, searching for answers in a void that has consumed so many. Advanced sonar mapping allows us to see through the murk, revealing the jagged topography of the ocean floor in unprecedented and stunningly high detail. Every sensor is feeding back vital information, detecting subtle shifts in magnetic fields and water chemistry that could indicate something truly unusual nearby. The scientists watch closely, knowing that at any moment, the darkness could reveal a discovery that would rewrite the books of maritime history. The water temperature drops precipitously as we descend, the cold becoming as dangerous a factor as the pressure itself for our sensitive electronic components. We activate the primary floodlights. The beams pierce the gloom, revealing marine snow organic debris falling from the surface like a slow-motion blizzard. The control room is a hive of activity, with data analysts cross-referencing live footage with historical ship track records from the last 50 years. Life exists even here, in the most extreme conditions imaginable, adapted to a world without sun, where survival depends on stealth and alien senses. Suddenly, A surge in electromagnetic readings startles the team. This is exactly the kind of anomaly often reported by pilots flying over the triangle. Interference begins to degrade the signal. We are entering a zone of high magnetic turbulence, a classic hallmark of the Bermuda Triangle's strange power. Ahead lies a massive undersea canyon, a trench so deep it could hide an entire mountain range within its dark and rocky walls. The pilot carefully navigates the drone around ancient rock formations, keeping a safe distance from the jagged edges that could snag our tether. We pause for a moment to recalibrate. The silence of the deep is absolute, a crushing quiet that feels heavy with the weight of time. We have reached the midnight zone. Sunlight can no longer reach us here, and the world is defined only by the reach of our beams. The scale of this environment is terrifying. A single drone in a vast ocean, looking for a needle in a haystack of infinite darkness. Bioluminescent creatures drift past like ghosts, creating their own light in a place where nature has found a way to conquer the eternal gloom. The ocean floor finally comes into view, a vast, silent desert of sediment that has been accumulating for millions of years in this quiet place. Our lens captures things never seen by human eyes, recording the topography of a world that is more alien to us than the moon's surface. Strange life forms cling to the rocks, thriving on chemical energy where no plants can grow. It is a biological frontier we are only beginning. A massive undersea cliff looms ahead. These geological structures can cause massive turbulence in the currents, potentially dragging ships down into the abyss. The sonar ping changes frequency, indicating a change in density below. Something solid is buried under the layers of sand and ancient seafloor mud. We take a core sample. This sediment contains a record of the ocean's history and perhaps clues to the ships that have passed through here. Hydrothermal vents erupt with mineral-rich water, creating a surreal landscape of smoke and heat in the middle of the freezing, dark, deep sea. The lead researcher leans in closer. There is a shape on the screen that does not belong in nature, a straight line in a world of curves. As we clear the silt, a hard surface is revealed. It is too geometric, too precise to be a rock formation created by natural erosion. The seafloor here is restless. The sediment moves as if something underneath is shifting, hidden just out of sight of our powerful drone cameras. We are searching for the truth in a place that has guarded its secrets with a vengeance for more than 100 years of history. A cloud of silt rises, blinding our sensors temporarily. In the deep sea, every move must be calculated to avoid losing visibility in the mud. What we see next defies immediate explanation. A series of flat stones laid out like a path, stretching into the dark and uncharted ocean floor. Is this a natural geological formation, or are we looking at the ruins of a civilization that was lost to the sea millennia ago today? The team debates the findings. Geologists argue it is beach rock, but the symmetry is so perfect it challenges every standard scientific explanation we have. From a nearby crevice, a faint, inexplicable light seems to glow. It could be bioluminescence, or something far more unusual and potentially highly radioactive. Our systems experience a sudden drain in power. The closer we get to the anomaly, the more our technology seems to struggle to function. Warning lights flash in the control room. We are pushing the equipment to its absolute limit in an environment that is fundamentally hostile to us. Then we see it, a massive, towering structure rising from the silt, its smooth surfaces and sharp angles looking entirely out of place here. This is no mountain. It is a giant, dark pyramid, constructed with a precision that rivals the great monuments of Egypt or the Aztec empires. Upon closer inspection, The surface is covered in intricate symbols, a language or code that bears no resemblance to any known human writing system. Just yards away from this ancient-looking structure, we find a modern artifact, a massive ship's anchor, heavily corroded and partially buried in the sand. And there, resting against the base of the pyramid, is a piece of aluminum wreckage that looks remarkably like the wing of a vintage aircraft. We try to read the identification marks, but the ocean has spent decades scouring the metal, erasing the names of those who were lost here. It is a museum of tragedy. Ships and planes from different centuries all brought together at the foot of this mysterious and silent stone giant. The sonar pings reveal something even more shocking. The structure isn't solid rock. There are massive, hollow chambers located deep within its dark interior. We find an entrance, a perfectly rectangular portal that seems to lead directly into the heart of the structure, beckoning us to explore further inside. The pilot hesitates. Entering an unknown structure at this depth is incredibly risky, but the potential for discovery is too great to turn back now. As we enter, the walls are remarkably smooth, almost glass-like. They reflect our lights with a brilliance that suggests a very high-tech material was used. Something moves. A shadow flits across the edge of the camera's view, far too fast to be a deep-sea fish or any known marine animal. A low-frequency hum vibrates through the drone's hull. It sounds like machinery, a rhythmic pulsing that suggests something inside this structure is still active. The audio analysts are stunned. The sound is a perfect frequency, not the random noise of nature, but a deliberate and sustained mechanical signal. The hallway opens into a vast chamber. In the center, giant crystals pulse with a soft blue light, illuminating the entire space without our lamps. The ceiling is a map of the stars, but not the stars as they appear today. This is an ancient configuration of the night sky. The energy here is palpable. The water itself seems to be vibrating in harmony with the crystals, creating a shimmering effect that dazes the viewers. Disaster strikes. A massive electromagnetic pulse erupts from the chamber, overloading our sensors and threatening to fry every circuit on the drone's board. The feed is failing. We are losing visual. The power levels are dropping dangerously low as the drone is bombarded by an unknown energy source. We have to get it out. If we lose the drone now, we lose everything. The data, the footage, and the only proof of this discovery. We narrowly escape the structure, the thrusters screaming as they pull the heavy machine back into the open, dark expanse of the seafloor canyon. The silence in the control room is deafening. Everyone is staring at the last clear images of that chamber, realizing they've seen the impossible today. The mission shifts from exploration to analysis. We need to understand what we just saw and how it relates to the Bermuda Triangle's history. One theory for the disappearances is methane hydrates. Massive gas blowouts could reduce water density, causing ships to sink instantly without any warning at all. Magnetic anomalies are another factor. In this region, true north and magnetic north align, which can easily confuse pilots and lead them off course. But the energy we detected from the pyramid was different. It wasn't natural geomagnetism. It was an organized, powerful, and seemingly artificial field of energy. Debate rages between the experts. Is the structure a remnant of Atlantis, or an alien base, or perhaps a natural formation with unique properties? The symbols are being cross-referenced with every known language. Some patterns resemble ancient Sumerian, while others look like modern computer circuit board layouts today. Could this structure be a massive power plant? If so, its energy could be what disrupts the instruments of passing ships and aircraft above. On the surface, we observe strange whirlpools that form and vanish in seconds, as if something below is drawing the water into a deep vortex. Infrasound waves are detected, capable of causing nausea and disorientation in humans. This might explain the strange behavior reported by survivors of the area. The more we learn, the more we realize how little we actually know. The triangle is not just a place, it is a complex mystery. We catalog the wrecks. Each one is a story of a journey that ended too soon, of families waiting for news that would never come. Another discovery, a metallic sphere, perfectly smooth and untouched by rust, sits among the wreckage, looking like it was dropped there yesterday morning. The ROV's arm cannot move it. The sphere is immovable, as if it is part of the very crust of the Earth itself, or magnetically locked. The pyramid is perfectly aligned with other ancient sites like the Giza pyramids and Stonehenge, suggesting a global network of these strange and powerful structures. Every line, every curve of the symbols seems to be a part of a larger mathematical proof that we are only beginning to even understand. The local wildlife seems attracted to the site. Hammerhead sharks circle the pyramid in a ritualistic manner, as if sensing the energy it emits daily. Time itself seems to be affected. Our internal clocks show a drift of several minutes compared to the master clock back on the research ship. If the structure is warping space-time, it could explain why vessels simply disappear. They might be stepping into another moment, or even another dimension entirely. The pyramid remains silent, a witness to the storm above and the mysteries below, holding its secrets tight against the prying eyes of modern science. We have enough data to fill a library, but the core question remains: who built it, and what is its true purpose in our world? It's time to go. The battery is low, and the ocean is becoming more restless, as if it's telling us that we have seen enough. The ascent is slow and cautious. We are bringing back more than just images. We are bringing back a new mystery for the world to solve. The pyramid vanishes into the gloom, becoming once again a legend hidden beneath the waves, waiting for the next brave soul to find it. As we rise, the crushing pressure begins to lift, but the mental weight of what we've discovered only grows heavier for the entire team. The recovery is dangerous, the weather is turning, and the sea is trying to keep us from leaving its borders with our precious robotic cargo. The drone is back. After hours in the abyss, our robotic explorer returns to the world of air and light, battered but fundamentally still intact. Look at the hull. These mineral deposits are unlike anything we see in shallow waters. They are a physical memory of the journey to the bottom. Every byte of data is precious. We have terabytes of high-definition footage and sensor readings that will take years for global experts to fully analyze. We leave the triangle behind, but its shadow will follow us forever. The ocean is quiet now, its surface masking the chaos that lies beneath. Man is but a visitor here. We have built machines to explore the depths, but we remain at the mercy of the sea's ancient, dark powers. He knows that they have only scratched the surface. The Bermuda Triangle has returned the drone, but it has kept its most important secrets hidden. Are we ready for the truth? If a precursor civilization lived there, it would change everything we know about our own origins as a human species. The world continues to turn. Ships continue to sail, and planes continue to fly, all crossing the invisible lines of the triangle every single day. The mystery remains. Some things are not meant to be understood, and some places are better left alone in the cold, dark silence of history. Bjørn van Kondar, Chodoingui Tipthau Dur Zunkarm der Kamfar, are you ready to face the unknown and dive into the deep? The Bermuda Triangle keeps its secrets well. Perhaps there are some things that should never be awakened from their long and silent slumber under the sea.